Find somewhere where you can attach the resistance band to and wrap it around. I like using the coffee table, so here we go. Go ahead, line it up with the center of your body. Feet are straight, hip, knee, ankle lined up. Shoulders back and down. Stick your butt out and bend forward. Perfect. Now you want your arms out in front of you, directly in front, okay? Back up a little more if you want. You got to make sure the resistance bands have little resistance on it. Elbows upward. Now you want your arms in the plane of motion of your shoulder. So go ahead, pull back. Beautiful. And you're going to squeeze that rear delt, the back of your shoulder. And when you pull back, squeeze your upper back too. Go ahead, keep your arms nice and straight, but the elbows slightly bent. Okay, that takes pressure off of the elbow. Don't sway back and forth. Make sure you're looking straight down so you don't injure your neck, and keep your hands upward, up here, so it's lined up with your chest as well. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way back, and squeeze.